an on-screen demonstration using syntax and Microsoft Word.
The other really handy thing about syntax is that you can paste it directly from Word, which tends to interact better with screen readers. This is an example of the kind of notes that we would give to a student to help them go through, say for example, a between groups ANOVA in a point and click method. So you can see we've got a lot of words here. We'd ask them to click on Analyze, Compare Means, then go to One Way ANOVA, and we would then get them to select different things. We'd often rely on pictures to be able to give them an idea of what options to select. Again, using pictures for a visually impaired student just really doesn't work. So that's sort of what led us to come to a different, an alternative route. So this would be what the basic notes would be for a point and click method of getting to those results that we needed. But this is the syntax for that analysis. All the student would need to do is just select this and they'd be able to copy this and paste it back in the same way you would copy and paste anything. So now it's in there and it's ready to go. And you can see that it's actually only a few lines of text. And these are very similar across different kinds of analyses. So you would get used to what these commands basically are. Okay, so again, it would just be a matter of selecting this and running it. And you can see actually that's a faster method of getting to the results than using the point and click alternative. So you can also annotate SPSS syntax. So often what I would do is provide the student with a syntax folder that went through the entire analyses for the entire tutorial that I was running, which often had 3 or 4 examples of different things. The other really nice thing about syntax is you can actually write in there. If you start off with a star, you can give specific notes to the student. So for example, we could type in there, this is example 3. And if you pop that in with another star, you can actually include that in your running of something and it won't make any difference to your output, but it gives the student, especially when you're using a screen reader to guide you, it gives them an idea of what this following syntax might be. So you can annotate it directly in there.